Искате ли торбичка? I'm pretty sure that all of us have heard this sentence in Bulgaria. Искате ли торбичка most of the time means do you want a bag? A plastic bag. Maybe like this one. The simple ordinary plastic bag. Торбичка. But actually торбичка can be all kinds of materials. Това е найлонова торбичка. This is a plastic bag. The red type is найлонова торбичка, a plastic bag. However, we can use the word торбичка for this thing. Хартиена торбичка, paper bag. And another very common word in Bulgarian when we talk about bags is just чанта. Това е дамска чанта. This is a lady's bag or a purse. But we can also call these things чантичка. Some people do call them торбичка, чантичка, or even пликче. Пликче can also be the plastic bag without the handles, where you cannot find the end. But we will not call this торбичка. The purse will be чанта or дамска чанта. And very often we use the verbs нося to carry. Нося чанта or не нося чанта. But нося торбичка и не нося торбичка would most probably go towards the paper bags or probably the fabric bags, which are like this. Това е чанта от плат. Това е платнена чанта. This is a fabric bag. So, торбичка or чантичка. How would you call these things? Or maybe you've heard something else. Have you heard the people around you use other words for these things? Or maybe these things. Have you noticed? Пликче, торбичка, чанта, чантичка, or maybe торба, maybe торбалан. Actually, side note, Torbalan is a mythological hero, not a hero, a creature in Bulgarian folklore who takes the naughty children away at night in a big bag on his back like a sack. So torba can go towards the meaning of a big sack, a big bag. So, comment below if you have heard any of those words, or maybe you have a similar mythological creature in your native mythology similar to Torbalan. Comment below. Thank you.